Welcome to Navigating the World of Insurance, what you need to know in English. Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into the realm of insurance, offering you valuable insights and guidance to help you make informed decisions. Whether you are a seasoned insurance holder or someone just entering the world of insurance, this video is here to demystify the complexities and equip you with the knowledge you need. Let's get started. Understanding insurance basics. What is insurance? To begin, let's understand what insurance is. Insurance is a contract between an individual, the policyholder, and an insurance company. The policyholder pays a premium, and in return, the insurance company provides financial protection, referred to as coverage, against potential risks or losses. These risks could include property damage, liability, medical expenses, or other unforeseen circumstances. Insurance serves as a safety net that helps individuals mitigate financial losses and protect their assets. Types of insurance. There are several types of insurance available to individuals based on their needs. Some of the most common types include auto insurance, home insurance, health insurance, life insurance, and liability insurance. Auto insurance provides coverage for vehicles, protecting against accidents or theft. Home insurance safeguards your property against damages caused by events like fire, natural disasters, or theft. Health insurance covers medical expenses, ensuring you have access to necessary healthcare services. Life insurance provides financial protection for your loved ones in the event of your passing, while liability insurance provides coverage for damages or injuries caused by you. Each type of insurance has its own unique features and benefits. Factors to consider before choosing insurance. Premiums and deductibles. When choosing insurance, it's essential to consider factors like premiums and deductibles. The premium is the amount you pay for insurance coverage, typically on a monthly or annual basis. It's crucial to find a balance between affordability and the level of coverage you desire. Higher coverage often comes with higher premiums. On the other hand, deductibles are the amount you must pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in to cover the rest. Higher deductibles usually correspond to lower premiums. Consider your financial situation and risk tolerance when deciding on the right premium and deductible combination. Policy coverage and limits. Policy coverage and limits determine the extent of protection you receive from your insurance. It's crucial to review your policy thoroughly to understand what is covered and what is not. For example, in auto insurance, coverage may include bodily injury liability, property damage liability, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, or underinsured motorist coverage. Additionally, insurance policies typically have coverage limits, which represent the maximum amount the insurance company will pay for a claim. Be sure to evaluate the coverage and limits that best suit your needs and potential risks you might face. Making informed decisions and filing claims. Understanding your needs. Making informed decisions about insurance requires a clear understanding of your specific needs. Take into account your lifestyle, assets, and potential risks. Assessing your needs will help determine the type and level of coverage that is most suitable for you. Consider consulting with insurance professionals or using online tools to get personalized advice and recommendations. Filing claims. In unfortunate situations where you need to file an insurance claim, understanding the process is crucial. Contact your insurance company as soon as possible and provide all necessary information and supporting documentation. The claims process typically involves submitting a claim form, providing evidence of the incident, and cooperating with any investigations. Familiarize yourself with the claims process for each type of insurance to ensure a smooth experience when you need to utilize your coverage. Congratulations! You now have a better understanding of the world of insurance. Remember, insurance is a powerful tool that provides essential protection, but it's crucial to choose your coverage wisely. Consider your needs, compare policies, and consult with professionals if needed. By making informed decisions about insurance, you can safeguard yourself, your loved ones, and your valuable assets. Thank you for watching. Navigating the world of insurance. What you need to know in English. Stay protected and have a great day.